Hey guys, Sai is here, and today in this video I'm gonna talk about how to move one custom recovery to another custom recovery. No matter if you want to TWRP to OrangeFox or OrangeFox to TWRP or PitchBlack or AOSP recovery, no matter, you can move any custom recovery from one custom recovery to any other custom recovery. Okay, but some precautions you need to take. What that precautions I will tell you, so watch this video till the end, and if you're new on this channel then don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's move on the video. So first of all, for example, I have this device. This is a Realme XT device. Okay, right? So I am on TWRP recovery and I want to change my TWRP recovery to OrangeFox recovery. So how can you do it? How can I move from TWRP to OrangeFox or any other custom recovery? So simply you need to go on this install section. As we can see, first of all, you need to when you go on this install section, then click on this install image. So as we can see, here it is. I have two images. Now you say, can I flash zip file? Okay, so OrangeFox recovery have a zip file, right? So simply you can click on that zip file and you can boot on OrangeFox directly without. So why are you telling the click on this image, why XYZ things? So because flashing zip file maybe create boot loop or stuck issue in some cases. So better if you extract that zip file, recovery zip file, and take out that recovery image. For example, here it is. I have a OrangeFox recovery. I will show you. Wait. So as we can see, here it is. I have a OrangeFox recovery zip. As we can see, OrangeFox recovery zip. But I'm not going to flash this directly OrangeFox recovery zip, because if I flash this OrangeFox recovery directly, in some cases, in some situations, zip creates some boot loop. So note that point. Better if you extract the zip and take out the recovery image. Okay, so as we can see, I go on this install section, click on this install image, and as we can see, I already extract the OrangeFox recovery zip and I take that recovery img. As we can see, now what is the process to move? So simply select that recovery image. For example, in my case, my recovery image is OrangeFox recovery image. So I click on this recovery image, select the recovery. Okay, don't select any other partition, otherwise your device gonna break. Like here it is, a different type of partition is present, but I want to change my recovery. That's it. So I click on this recovery image and simply swipe it. As you can see, when it says the successful, then go on, click on center button and go on reboot section, then click on reboot. So process is same for OrangeFox to TWRP, TWRP to OrangeFox, PitchBlack, which recovery you want to move. Okay, just flash that recovery in image format, then click on reboot to recovery. That's it. Okay, so let's wait. What happened? So as we can see, here it is, the OrangeFox recovery is booted. So same like that, you can use this method to move from one custom recovery to any other custom recovery. Okay, so if you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.